Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Smith here. Today we are doing Unit 3, Lesson 11, which is on page 127 of your book. And this is actually the last activity page before there's the test section. So you did it. You made it through Unit 3. Nice job. So in this problem in this page we're looking at some like real life word problems. It's pretty similar to what we've been doing before. Let's just jump into it, shall we? So there are many things to do at an amusement park. Ride the rides, play some games, try new foods. Many people like to ride roller coasters while at the amusement park. The tallest roller coaster in the world is 456 feet tall and is located in Jackson, New Jersey. In fact, the top 3 tallest roller coasters in the world are in the United States. So this 4th and 5th grade classes went on a field trip to the amusement park. There are 58 4th grade students who are in line to ride the Loop-de-Loop roller coaster. This is a loop-de-loop. Each roller coaster car holds 4 people. How many roller coaster cars are needed so that they can all ride the roller coaster once? So we're going to take our 58 kids and divide it into 4 groups and see how many groups that is. So 58. 4 people. 4 goes into 5. 1 time, you get 4. Subtract, right? Bring it on down and bring it on back. Now 4 goes into 18 4 times, and you get 16. And then you have a remainder of 2. Now, what does this mean in terms of our problem? We would have 14 cars, and then we'd have 2 kids standing outside. So really, for every kid to get on that roller coaster, how many cars do we need? We need 15 cars, right? All right. Number 2. There are 41 5th grade students who are in line to ride the mile-long wooden roller coaster. Each roller coaster car holds 6 people. How many students would be in a roller coaster car that is not full? Now I want you to try this one on your own and think about what we just talked about with the previous one. You're thinking about your remainder, okay? So you got your 42. And then you have your divided by 6. 4 goes, oh sorry, it's 41, not 42. 41. So 4 goes into, 6 goes into 42. Let's see, 6 times, and you get 36. And then you have 5 left over, so we have a remainder of 5, which means there's a car with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids, and then this one is empty. Oops, like that. Okay, so that means there are 5 students in a roller coaster car that's not full. Alrighty, let's go ahead and turn that page. Here we go. So there are, well, it says up here, after riding the roller coasters, the 4th and 5th grade classes spend the rest of the day getting lunch, going shopping, and riding the rest of the rides at the amusement park. There are 27 students in Evan's group. It's a big group. Each student decides to get a kid's meal for lunch at the food stand. If each student spends $7, how much did the student spend on lunch altogether? So we have 27 kids, each spending $7. What's the operation for that? 27 times 7, right? So what's 7 times 7? 49. And what's 7 times 20? 140. What do you get when you add those up? 189. So we write that down. 27 times 7 equals 189 dollars, right? Next one. If you're feeling up for it, you can try these ones, you know, near the end of the unit, so you should be ready. 31 students are in line to ride the Ferris wheel. 4 students are needed to fill each Ferris wheel car. How many Ferris wheel cars will be full? So this is asking, what do you think? Do you think we need the remainder for this one? Nope, we're just going to go with what the number is. So we have 31 students, 4 kids per car. So 4 goes into 31 7 times, and you get 28. And the difference there is 3, but what we really need is how many full cars there are, which is the 7. So 7 cars. All right, last one. Here we go. In the souvenir shop, a worker opens a box of posters. The posters are the posters in the box are bundled in groups of 8. There are a total of 2,864 posters in a box. How many bundles of posters are in the box? The bundles is the group of 8, right? So we're going to take our 2,864 and we are going to divide it by 8 to figure out how many bundles there are. So 8 goes into 28 3 times, and we'll have 24. Difference there is 4. Bring down that 6. 8 goes into 46 5 times to get 40. Bring down that 4. 8 goes into 64 8 times, right? And that is 64. So there's no posters not inside bundles, right? So then we will say 356 bundles. All right, go and see if you have an assignment. This was a quick one for us, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.